Hi guys and welcome or welcome back to the Taste and Bloom Kitchen. Today we are going local. Yes, we are making some Ampesi and Kontomire Abom and we'll pair it with some other things. Okay, so please join me and let's make this Ghanaian delicacy. So first of all, if you have not watched my previous video where I taught or I showed how to cook frozen plantains and yams, please go back and watch it. Of course, after this video, okay? So I began by cooking my plantains and yams, and then I'm adding some eggs for, of course, if you're Ghanaian, you know why eggs should be added to ampesi, okay? And then I salted the water for both. I didn't cook them together because I didn't want the yams to look funny, okay? And then I'm going ahead to cook my kontomire. So my kontomire was also frozen. It was already cut up and frozen, okay? And then I'm adding some turkey berries because it's more nutritious when you do that, okay? And then I'll cover that to cook. Meanwhile, today I'm adding some shrimps to my abom. Yes, you heard me right. So I've soaked it in a bit of salt water and I'm going to leave it sitting for about 5 minutes. It's also thoroughly washed, by the way. And I have here some pepper, onions, and tomatoes, which I'm going to start grinding because the kontomire will not take too long to cook, okay? So in my asanka, I'm going to put in my tomatoes, onions, pepper, and then some salt, and then grind till it's smooth, okay? Then once that is done, I'm going to go ahead and add my kontomire and turkey berries, the susa, or what other names you even call it. And then I'll grind that as well. Because I like mine smooth, I grind it for a longer time, but however texture you want yours to be, you're free to do that, okay? And today we are eating in the asanka, so guess what? I'm not going to be taking out my album from the asanka or earthenware bowl. You see, I'm pushing all of my album into the middle because, yes, like I said, we are eating all the goodies in there, okay? So I go in with my sardines and I just wanted to show you my cooked plantains, okay? You can tell the peels are off or almost off, okay? So why I cook my plantains in the aluminum saucepan is because there's some sort of like thin film that forms around the pot when the plantains are done. It's actually just difficult to clean that thing if you use the non-stick, okay? Yes, so that's why I use this kind of saucepan. So my ampesi is done now. I'm going to go ahead and then heat up a bit of palm oil and then fry my shrimps. So because palm oil has a very low burning point, make sure you do this on low heat and rest assured your shrimps will cook alongside. So give it about 7 minutes on both sides together. I mean 7 minutes and then you are good to go. I know some people will find it strange that I'm adding shrimps, but yes, I'm like that sometimes. Okay, so I go in with a bit of onions. So I'll be sweating this for about a minute, and then palm oil with the shrimps and the onions will go onto the abum. If this is your first time here, hello, my name is Yasmi. Please consider subscribing and joining this amazing blooming family. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch me. Please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below on your way out, and also share the video when you are done watching. And I'm also reminding you again to watch my previous video so you know how I cooked my frozen plantains and yams. A few people complained that their yams turned brown when they froze it, but I gathered from other viewers or subscribers also that it depends on how you handle the yam and also how you store it. Please don't turn on and off your freezer when you do that, okay? I hope you try this recipe this weekend and enjoy. So simple to put together, yet so delicious and nutritious. Until I come your way again with another nutritiously yummy homemade recipe, please keep blooming.